What's up, YouTube? So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made $800 on Nasdaq. I took some sells and some buys. Let's just go over this real quick. All right, so obviously I can see that market is bullish, right? We have this strong low, uptrend, pullback. Boom, we made a higher high, right? We took out this high here. Boom, we took it out. Then we took out these lows. So I have two areas where price can play off of. This area has been unmitigated, and then this area down here, which did get mitigated. This is also a good trade. However, sometimes you do come back to zones. This is inducement. You can consider this inducement, internal liquidity for the external move. I went over that before. All right, so now that I see that happening, I wait for internal structure to get broken, right? This is on 1 minute. Let's go to 5 minute. Boom. So internal structure gets broken. And before it gets broken, we have a sell to buy. This is a sell to buy. Sellers came in the market in this black candle. Then we bought right back up before breaking this high. We sold, then boom, bought, broke this high. Then we can play back in here, expecting some plays off of this. And then we made an even higher high, right, into this area. So I did end up taking a trade here. Price went like this. Oh, long position. I took my entry right here. Stop loss above this. However, I did refine it a little bit. And my TP was at this next zone. So once price broke down into here, I had refined my zone. Boom. This is my trade. And then when price came into here, remember, this is just a pullback. We could play this as a pullback. I don't know if price is going to continue to sell down or if price is going to continue to uptrend, right? But this is what happens with trading. You have to take risks. You have to have a good mindset, right? So I only put my TP down here that banged for 300. Boom. That's 2 RR. And then after that, I played these buys. We filled in this imbalance. Now, why are these buys? Look, we have this unmitigated area. That what did this place do? We sold, and then we bought, right? Breaking structure. Breaking structure. Boom. We play into this. I got in a little bit late, but once I saw this engulfment, I played this. Targeting these highs right here. So after all, look at that. That's just 2 RR, 3 RR. This is basically 6 RR with the 0.78 and the 0.41. So that's 6 RR for $800, just like that. This is how you can scalp. You can apply this in other ways too. I could trade basically this whole market right now. You could trade this right here too. This little sell to buy, breaking structure on the second time frame. This could be an entry. The possibilities are endless. There's really endless possibilities, especially when we're uptrending. Like that would be another 4 RR right there.